Hold on to your hats. Researchers at the Italian Institute of Technology just unleashed iRonCub3, the world's first humanoid robot with flying capabilities. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, June 21st, 2025. In Houston, robotic heart surgeries just leaped forward with a procedure that's rewriting medical textbooks, as doctors swap a human heart with scalpel precision using robotic tools. Next, journey into our futuristic households with BeatBot's AquaSense 2, the pool cleaning powerhouse that screams advanced tech with every motorized stroke. Finally, AnyMal by Anybotics is strapping on its sensors to sniff out gas leaks, promising safety where human inspections fall short. As these robotic marvels continue to emerge, they're not just tools but transformative forces reshaping our world. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about the week's top AI breakthroughs in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.